Hi everyone, Chef PD here. Today's recipe is a special request from my new YouTube friends, Matt and Jen Ryerson of the great state of Washington. Well, the actual request is for almond chicken, but by the description, it's similar to our Cantonese boneless chicken we served at my restaurant for the past 45 years. My version is chicken breast dipped into a batter, deep fried, cut up, and is served over chopped lettuce, and it's topped with a special mushroom gravy. I will leave a full recipe in the description box below. As always, if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please do so now. I have a bunch of recipes coming. And if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for the gravy. I have 6 ounces of ground pork, a 1/4 cup of canned button mushrooms sliced. I have a 1/4 cup of shredded bamboo shoots, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of the sesame oil. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger plus a 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic in here. I have 1 teaspoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 3/4 teaspoon of dark soy, and 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. You will also need a cup of the chicken stock. You can also use water mixed with 1 teaspoon of chicken base or chicken bouillon, and you're going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water to thicken the sauce. Okay, let's go ahead and make the gravy now. Okay, I got the wok heated up now. Get some oil in here. Ginger and garlic goes in. Pork goes in. Just stir it for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to put our rice wine and our soy sauce in. And we put our chicken stock. I'm going to add 1/2 more cup in here. Doesn't look like we have enough gravy. Let that heat up. Alright, now we're going to add the bamboo shoots and the mushrooms. Okay, now we're going to add our salt, our sugar, and white pepper powder, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and to make the gravy a little darker, your dark soy. Now you're going to thicken it with the cornstarch and water mixture. Add a little bit more here. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to pour it in a bowl. and we're gonna do the chicken now. Okay, this is what we need now to do the chicken. I have a large chicken breast here. It's 17 ounces. Or you can get a couple of small ones, but this should be enough for us. And I'll show you how to prep that. We also have, for the batter now, the ingredient for the batter, I have 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, and I have about 1/2 cup of water. I might need more, might need less. You're gonna see, okay? All right, and salt and pepper for the chicken. So here's how you prep it. You're gonna cut the chicken in half. Right through the middle here. Open that up. Trim this part off. And you take the blade and just little cuts. Same thing here. You take the back of the blade, flatten it out a little bit more. You want this to be the same thickness. All right. Now you're gonna flour it. Just coat it lightly. Don't need a lot. Okay, I'll show you how to do batter. Oh, one more thing I almost forgot. You're gonna salt and pepper that. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna put the oil in. Put the egg. Got the flour. Cornstarch. Salt. Baking powder, baking soda. Put a little bit of water in first. Okay, kind of a thin pancake batter is all you need. Okay, so let's go deep fry. All right, let's got the oil heated up. One way to check is to see if it's hot enough. Looks pretty good. Dip the chicken into the batter here. And just use the side to kind of scrape it so it wouldn't be too thick. The oil is probably about 350 to 375. Let's take a look. Okay, it's been about 4.5 minutes now. We're gonna flip it. Okay, about 4.5 minutes on this side. Put on the paper towel drain. Alright, so let's finish assembling this. It's all done. You just cut it once lengthwise here. Oh, it looks really, really juicy in here. Okay, then you put, I got 2 cups of lettuce here, chopped lettuce. I'm gonna put the gravy all over here now. Now, normally we would top it with chopped green onions and sprinkled nuts, but this is Cantonese boneless chicken. Let's go sample it. Okay, let's check this out. Grab a piece here. Ooh. Mm. Oh, it's still pretty hot. Very tasty. Chicken is very, very tender, very juicy, and there's just crispy. And the mushroom sauce really adds that to that flavor. Okay, excellent again. I hope you get a chance to try. Please share this recipe, and I'd love to hear your comments. See you next time. Okay, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.